Well, thanks for jumping back once again into another video of the Crypto Boy Crypto channel. I welcome you all to the Crypto channel. So before we begin the video, make sure you jump into this description and you click this link and join our crypto community, which is the most profitable community here. And then you subscribe the channel and make sure you turn on the notifications. So talking about the community, I want you to see that we are doing good in the community and we are helping each other, solving each other problems, as you can see here. So don't forget to join the community just by clicking the link in the description. So today in this video we're going to talk about Solana. This is a massive update about Solana. I have already recorded 12 videos about Solana till now, and this is going to be the most important video about Solana, so I want you to watch the video till the very end so that you can have the whole picture. So right now the latest update is that the Solana has broken our major support level, not as predicted but as warned, as foretold that this was a major support level and you did not want this level to be broken. So once again guys, I'm telling you, everybody, those who are new to my community and those who have been following me for a long time, I'm not the one who predicts the market. I never do that. I do that only when I'm very sure and I'm very certain that something is going to happen. Until and unless I do not do any stupid thing like predicting the market. What I do is I open a long trade or a short trade to whatever the side this market goes. If the market goes bad, I open short trade. No bearish, no bulls, nothing. I'm a money maker. That's what I care about. Okay. Anyways, this video is not about me. So right in front of me, you can see that this was a major support level that I wanted you guys to see. I created this level in my first video and showed you that this was acting as a major support for the past 3 or 4 touch points. Let me just clean this up real quick. And you can see that it has a confluence from this one as well. There was a big wick. You can see there was a lot of buying at below this area. That means below this area there was a lot of like let's say a short squeeze, we would say, and then the market eventually it went up with some good volume. So the recoveries, when you see the recoveries, they are always like that, some good recoveries. So what now? What is gonna happen now? For as we can see that I told you about this support level, and now that support is also broken. Well, do not expect anything good could happen, but there is a chance, and let me tell you that there is a chance that it could be a break of structure. It would just be a break of structure, and if it is a break of structure, that is the most bullish sign you will ever get. So let's just create this. That would be better, I would say. Let's create this trend line. If this trend line is the right trend line, I would want another touch point somewhere at this level for Solana to give another touch. So right now what we can see in a shorter time frame is that we are forming something on this little time frame. Let me just zoom this out so you can get something. Okay, so on this short time frame, you see that this place is you can see these little wicks. No wicks play tricks. This is a very short time frame. However, there is some liquidity, I would say. There is at least some little buying going on right now at this place. That is a good sign, but the structure of the market that has happened, and you see that is the reason I always tell you that you should be analyzing everything deep down, 15 minutes, and nobody spotted this head and shoulders, and this broke down. Actually that would be the target, and it kept going further down. So that's why you need to do your analysis in the shorter time frames as well. Well, for now, this is our support. This is our new local support. I would say very weak support, very weak support. Do not trust this support. Okay. However, this is still a support, and support is a support, but we do not have to open trades on the basis of that. And this one as well. Let's not take this thing so serious. This is just to add a confluence. This is not of much importance, but necessary at the same time. So this is some kind of a structure, a pennant structure or a symmetrical triangle, let's say. It breaks towards the downside when the market is falling this way. This breaks to the downside. So what are the chances? Chances there could be two chances. You have to watch the video very carefully. One chance is that you get a test on this trend line and you go back up. And another chance that I'm going to tell you is that, let's go to the bigger time frame on 4 hours. There is a positive thing as well. I have to tell you that also. You just stick with me. So the negative thing that I told you in my previous video was this inverse cup and handle pattern that was exactly targeting this area, which was a reciprocal of this, I would say. This which area was coinciding with 1.618. If I try to make that pattern again, let's say I want to make it from here. This is the neckline, let's say, and I want to grab this thing. I want to put this to the neckline. So you can see that the exact, if it breaks down this line, this place, I would say, that would be directly taking us to this new lows, that is 1.618 of the Fibonacci retracement number. That is a very significant number, right? You can see that this is taking a support on that one as well. But now let's jump to the positive side. The one positive thing that I can see, that is the only positive thing that you will see right now in this. Let's delete this one. Ignore that one. That support can easily be broken. But do not ignore this. That can happen because the major support level it's already broken until and unless this price goes back. It jumps back again somehow. And what is the possibility of jumping back? This is the possibility. There is a possibility, I mean. Do not lose hope right now immediately. There is a possibility. So you see, I talk about these divergences that cause big falls in the markets. You see the price is going to the downside, and what you see on the RSI is that the price is moving towards the upper side. So you see this, the RSI, it is going to the upside and the price is going to the downside. That, my friend, is a strong bullish divergence. Now, when you talk about these bullish divergences, remember that these bullish divergences, they never talk about the price action, where the price is going to head towards the next time. They only talk about the market, the price momentum, the momentum of the market. So there is a possible chance the momentum of the market is shifting towards the bull side. And talking about the Bitcoin dominance, it looks in the trouble if these things they coincide with each other. If the dominance falls, then I'm pretty sure this thing is going to happen, that this one, you will see this pattern forming up, W kind of pattern, along with this bullish divergence being confirmed. Then we can see in more retest. But that's just hypothetical. That can happen and that cannot happen as well. We are no one to script the market. We're not going to do that. What we are going to do is that wherever the market turns to the good side, we go with the market. If the market falls to that place, we make sure that we load our bag with Solana at this $22 price level, let's say $22 to $24. That's your price level. So that is a Solana update that you should be looking for. I told you in my previous video about this support. If you wanted to have some kind of short trade, you could have had it here, because it was a flag, bearish flag. The same flag could be seen on Bitcoin as well. It had a fall as well. So that was the update for Solana. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure, if you're liking the content, please join our community as well and subscribe the channel as well. See you in the next video.